Here I've got MEIZU M8c, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on the following device. So at first let's open the settings, then find and select personalization right here and go to the wallpaper. Then just select the picture that you would like to cover your screen with. So now we've got this one, let's go to that one, and then click on apply if you truly want to activate it, and decide if you want this picture to cover just your home screen, your lock screen, or maybe both of them. So lock screen, home screen, I will pick both, and then click on OK to save it. And as you can see, the wallpaper has been applied, and here it is. Also you can find a brand new display on your lock screen. So that would be all, so you can smoothly and easily change wallpaper on your device. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.